Hello guys, welcome to CT Money. In today's video, I'll be showing you step-by-step process to participate with Monad Testnet Airdrop. So make sure you watch this video and follow the same step. I'll try as much as possible not to make this topic overwhelming, this Monad Testnet topic overwhelming, because there's a lot of activities to be carried out in this Monad Testnet. But I'll try and maybe make the videos in parts. So that it won't be overwhelming for some of you. So this will actually be the part 1 of the Monad testnet. And if you want to join this testnet, all the link that you'll be needing will be in the description of this video. For each part of the video, the link will be in the description of the video. So if you are using your PC, laptop, once you click on the link, it will take you to your Chrome browser. But if you are using Mrs. browser, once you copy the link, go to your Mrs. browser, paste it on the browser. Whichever browser you are using, make sure you install MetaMask extension, import your wallet or create a new wallet. Then after that, it will bring you to this website. So this is their original website, which is testnet.monad.xyz. So that's their main website. So once you get here, just scroll down. The first thing you should do, scroll down and make sure you connect your wallet. You will be connecting MetaMask wallet. So everything you're seeing here on my screen, these are things you'll be interacting with. So just click on connect, then select your MetaMask. So click on connect. So once you do that, your wallet will be connected, guys. If you see here, your wallet will be connected. So then the second thing you should do is to scroll up. All these things you're seeing, they are things you'll be participating in. So here that it says enter wallet address. So you're going to go to your MetaMask, copy your wallet address and paste it here. So let me go to my MetaMask. So I'll just copy my MetaMask address. So what you should do after you've copied your address, see here that I say enter wallet address, just paste it. Paste your address. Click there and paste your address. Then after you've pasted your address, you see this caption here. Just click on it. Click on the caption. Then click on get testimony. So you'll be doing this every 12 hours, guys. Every 12 hours. This on their main website. So now it's sending token. So here it says claimed already. Please try again later. So I've claimed before in today. So after 12 hours, I'll be able to claim another one. But that's what you'll be doing every day. Then the next thing you can do in this particular website, in this their website, is to scroll down. So scroll down, then you see all these NFTs. You're going to be buying them. You see this particular one, this Monadark, House of Monadark. So the one dark is equals to 0.0832 mon. So by the time you keep claiming this test mon, you'll be able to purchase this, guys. You'll be able to, for you to purchase it, just enter the amount. Once you enter the amount, then click on buy. You'll be able to buy it. So let me go ahead and buy this particular one, because I think I should have up to this. And you can buy this as many as you want. Every day you can come and buy. So let me just buy this House of Moyaki. So House of Moyaki, 1 yaki is equals to 0.0038 mon. So let me just put in 0.0003 and see if I'll be able to purchase that. So I've purchased before, but I want to purchase another one to see if I have enough to purchase. Or let me just put 1 and see. to approve, just click on confirm. So remember, what you're using to buy is not your money, it's not your real money. You're using the Moon test token that you claim from their website to buy. You can see successfully swapped 0.001 Moon to Yaki. So that's it, guys. Very simple, very straightforward for this particular NFT. So let me go ahead. This house of Chong. One Chong equals to 0.004. Let me see if I can buy this with 0.001. So 0.001. Let me go ahead and buy Chong. So here I'll just go ahead and click on confirm. Then click on confirm. It's executing now. You can see here I've successfully swapped 0.001 Moon to Chong. So that's what you can do. Then if you scroll down, you will see this their app hub. So all these their hub application, you're going to be opening them one after the other and interact with them. In my next video, I'll be opening some of them and show you how you can interact with them, and all the link will be in the description of the video. So make sure you do this first and turn on your notifications so that you get those videos when it comes. Guys, please don't forget to give this video a like. Make use of the comment section if you have any question for me. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.